Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to delete your account on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First off, we're gonna start by going to our settings. We're gonna do that by clicking on the icon in our bottom right corner. While we're here, next what we're gonna do is we're gonna select account. And the last option we have is delete my account. So we're gonna go ahead and tap on that. So keep in mind, if you delete your account, you will also delete your account information and profile photo. You will delete all your WhatsApp group and your message history on this phone or your iCloud backup will be deleted. So in order to proceed deleting your account, you just have to enter your phone number and tap on delete my account. If you don't want to delete all those things, if you just want to transfer to another number, you can always click on change number instead and change your number. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.